welcome to my channel once again. This is Professor Ismail Khan, and the topic which we are dealing with now is degrees of comparison. If you have not seen the first video, I request you to go through the first lecture, because in the first lecture we have discussed the basics of degrees of comparison, how to change the degrees of comparison, and we have completed the first module, that is type 1 of degrees of comparison. And in the end of the lecture, I had given some 5 sentences for you to solve. In this lecture, in this session, we are going to start with the answers to those questions. So let us begin. Please gather your books, and once again, welcome to Smile English Academy. The first lecture we started with was degrees of comparison, and the end of the lecture was an exercise. The first sentence is, London is the largest city in England. London is the largest city in England. See the sentence here. London is the largest city in England. Now, when I say London is the largest, matlab this is superlative degree. So we'll have to change it, transform it into comparative and positive degrees, right? Comparative and positive. The comparative form of this sentence, London is the largest city in England, is London is larger than any other city in England. London is larger than any other city in England. That is the comparative form, comparative degree. If that is correct, put a tick mark. The positive degree will be no other. Yeah, no other city in England is as large as London. No other city in England is as large as London. So that becomes positive. The second sentence is a little confusing. It says cheetahs are the fastest animal in the world. Cheetahs, that is plural. Cheetahs are the fastest animal in the world. Now this is the fastest. The fastest का मतलब क्या होता है बेटा? This is superlative degree. Yeah, this is superlative degree. Very easy. The fastest. देखो TH the और fastest. Fastest मतलब HT वाला adjective है. This is superlative degree. So when I write the fastest, मतलब ये superlative degree है, I can change it into comparative and positive degree. So they will. The comparative form will be cheetahs are faster than any other animal in the world. Cheetahs are faster than any other animal in the world. Faster than any other. That is comparative degree. Faster than any other. Positive degree इसका होगा no other animal in the world is as fast as the cheetahs. No other animal in the world is as fast as the cheetahs. Third question जो हमने पहले भी डिस्कस किया है, whales are the biggest animals. The biggest, again superlative degree. देखो the biggest, the biggest, st वाला adjective. So the biggest से पता चलता है कि ये superlative degree है. ये superlative degree है और इसको we can change into comparative and positive degrees. The superlative form is whales are the biggest animals. Whales are the biggest animals. Superlative degree. I can change into comparative. Whales are bigger than any other animal. Whales are bigger than any other. Comparative degree. What will be the positive degree? No other animal is as big as the whales. No other animal is as big as the whales. Fourth sentence. San Francisco is the most beautiful city in United States. San Francisco is the most beautiful city in the United States. Most beautiful. See this word most. ये कब आता है? जब वो adjective जिसके अंदर एक से ज़्यादा vowels और consonants, या यूँ कहो कि the adjective is bigger in size. ठीक है? San Francisco is the most beautiful city in the United States. I can write in comparative degree as San Francisco is more beautiful than any other city in the United States. M-O-R-E, more beautiful. San Francisco is more beautiful than any other city in the United States. Comparative degree. What will be the positive degree of this sentence? Yes, you will start with no other. No other city in the United States is as beautiful as San Francisco. No other city in the United States is as beautiful as San Francisco. That becomes positive. The fifth question was, summer is the best season of the year. Summer is the best season of the year. The best. Okay? Summer is the best season of the year. I will write. Summer is better than any other season of the year. Summer is better than any other season of the year. What will be the positive degree? ये तो हो गया comparative, better than any other. What will be the positive degree, बेटा? Positive degree will be no other season of the year is as good as the summer season. Okay? No other season of the year is as good as summer. Yeah, no other season of the year is as good as summer season. That becomes positive. So these were the 5 questions, and we have already given you the answers. If the answers are correct, well and good. If they are not correct, work hard. Understand. Okay, but